Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this easy triple chocolate cookie dough cake. So for this recipe we will need 2 packs of cookie dough. You could get this at the local grocery store you have near you, or you can make it at home. Now we take 1 pack of the cookie dough and we flatten it out on our springform pan. So it should look something like this. Also, don't forget, if your pan is not non-stick, to grease up the bottom with a bit of butter before putting the cookie dough. Now it's time to put your chocolates on top of the first layer of the cookie dough in the pan. You could pick any type of chocolate you want. For this recipe, I used Hershey's and Kit Kat. Now that all the chocolates are on top of the first cookie dough layer, we take our second cookie dough and put it on top of the chocolates and flatten it out with a spoon or your hand. And it should look something like this. So this last part is totally optional. You could take some Hershey cocoa powder and sprinkle it on top of the last layer of the cookie dough. Now it's ready to go in the oven for about 15 minutes or until it is golden brown on medium heat. And this is how it looks once it's out of the oven. And just to clarify, the top is not burnt, it's just the cocoa powder that we sprinkled on top earlier. And this is why I suggested earlier that we use a springform pan, because it's just easier once it's all ready to take out. This brings us to the end of the video. Hope you guys liked watching it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for future videos.